Meet Zwiq, a stainless steel water bottle that instantly clicks open and closed. Built to give athletes or anybody in the heat of the moment ice cold water with just a click of their finger. Hi, I'm Zwiq. It's like my college nickname. And while I was a college athlete, I was always dying for a sip of water. But the regular steel water bottles that I was using were far too slow. The clock runs your life as a swimmer, and when you feel like you might pass out, the last thing you want to spend your very valuable seconds on is fiddling and twisting with a water bottle. And after one too many hydration incidents, I set out to create the fastest stainless steel water bottle in the world, while keeping it incredibly easy to use. And I documented that nearly 4-year design process on YouTube, adding a bunch of new features along the way, like a large handle that sleekly folds into the top of the bottle, a locking mode so that when you throw the bottle into your bag, you don't have to worry about it springing open and spilling absolutely everywhere, a removable nozzle topper for those who want an extra layer of protection versus dust and dirt, double-walled vacuum insulation, which keeps your water ice cold for over 24 hours, and the ability to separate the cap into 2 easy-to-clean pieces. So whether you're in the middle of a super intense workout or just a stressful part of your day, Zwiq is the fastest and simplest way to stay hydrated. And after 4 years of obsession, it's finally perfect and ready for you. But I need your help to kick off production. So please back me and make Zwiq a reality.